Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Club. I am Dipanjan Kumar. Today we are going to start another topic on Python programming. This is the second lecture of Python programming. In this lecture, the learner will be able to understand the two ways in which we can run our code in Python programming, that is interactive mode and script mode. But in this lecture I'll explain only interactive mode. Okay, so let's see. Executing Python programs. After installing Python in Windows, you can start the Python programming language. There are two ways in which we can run our code, that is interactive mode and script mode. So what is interactive mode? In interactive mode, as we enter a command and then press enter, the very next step we get the output. This is very easy. In VS Code, open the VS Code, then you will see that is greater than 3 times. Then the greater than indicates that Python shell is ready for executing in the interactive mode. When you will see this that is when you will see greater than in VS Code, then it indicates that the Python shell is ready for executing in interactive mode. Okay, so interactive mode is very convenient for writing very short line of code. That is, if the code line is very short, then we can apply interactive mode. Okay, so now I'll see how to run Python code in interactive mode, then how to run Python code in interactive mode. To run Python in command prompt type Python, then simply type, this will be type the Python statement on triple greater than prompt. Okay, when you see that triple greater than, then we start typing, that is, as we type and press enter, you can see the output in the very next line. Okay, print the command, then enter, then you will see the output. This is very simple, not like C, C++, Java, like that. Okay, just you have to give the command, then enter, then you will get the output in the very next line. Okay, for example, suppose to print the text, say hello world, we can type the following, that is, you will see that is greater than in VS Code. Then you have to write print, then within first bracket double quote hello world, otherwise you have to write single quote hello world. Okay, hello world within single quote, otherwise double quote, not like first starting single quote ending double quote, then there will be no output, that is error. Okay, so here you have to give either both are double quote, hello world within double quote, or hello world within a single quote. Then after getting this, then enter, you will get hello world. This is the output. You will see. I will show it in BS Code. Okay, so here another example. Suppose you want to multiply 5 into 20, then it will be the output will be 100. Output will be 100. Now Now I am showing another example, like say high 5 times. High 5 times you want to see, high 5 times. So high, then with high within double quote, then star 5, then high will come 5 times. So these are the examples, and I will show it in the B.S. code. So then I'll say some disadvantages of interactive mode. Okay. So now in B.S. code, I am showing how the program is running. Okay. In B.S. code. Okay. How the program is running in B.S. code, I am just showing. You just see. I am showing how just showing, just wait. Just showing, yeah. Okay. Now suppose I want to see hello world. Suppose hello world I want to see hello world. The output is hello world. So what will you do? You have to write here print just see, follow me. Print, then double quote hello world. Hello world. Hello world, then double quote close, then so now I have written, you see, you follow the screen, then complete code is completed. Now enter, just I am giving enter, you will see hello world. Okay. Now print, say suppose 5 into 20. So what will you do? Just simply write the code, then enter, you will get 5 into 20. See, just follow me. Just I am writing print, then I am writing 5. Just follow me. 5 into, that is 20. 5 into 20, you see, 5 into 20, 5 into 20, just I have written the code, print 5 into 20, the output will be 100. You see, the output is 100. Now, once again, I am showing, just by this way, you will see, you have to write, suppose you want to see high 5 times. Suppose high you want to see 5 times. So what will you do? You write just within double quote hi high, that is double quote complete, then double quote not this is double quote this is double quote complete, then 5 times we want to see, so into 5, then into 5, then enter, you will see high 55 times. I have written 55 here. So you see high is 55 times is given here. Okay. So by this way, not only additions, you can do subtraction also, you can do multiplication, you can do divide also by this way. This is actually the interactive mode. This is actually the how interactive mode is working in Python programming. So I have shown here, you can practice with VS Code, either VS Code or Jupyter, or you can say ideally, or Anaconda. Okay. So by this way you can practice it. Okay, I have done in this in VS Code. Okay, so now there are some disadvantages of interactive mode is there. The interactive mode is not suitable for large program. This is not suitable for large program. Okay, so this is one of the disadvantages. Another disadvantage, the interactive mode does not save the statement. Just we have written that is code. You can't save this code. Okay, once we make a program, it is for that time itself. It is for that time, so you can see the output, but not forever. That is in future you can't see. That is we have written here, we can't use it in future, in the future. In order to use in in future, we need to retype all the statements. Okay, so and this is the great disadvantage of interactive mode. That means if you want to see, suppose I have written hello world 55 times, then you can't see after that is you can't see, suppose if you can't save this program, so you can't see further when you need. When you need, then you have to retype, then you will see. Okay, so now last disadvantage, addition, the code is not possible. That means you cannot edit the code. These are all our interactive mode in Python programming. So keep watching, sharing and commenting this video with your friends, with your neighbor. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you very much. Watch it again. In my next video, I'll come in that is script mode. Okay, thank you.